Here's what moved markets today. Geopolitical tensions in the Middle East drove gold and silver prices higher, with safe haven assets benefiting from increased regional uncertainty. Prediction market platform Polymarket showed elevated probability estimates for potential US military involvement in the region. Political statements highlighted cryptocurrency's role in national economic considerations, while European banking institution BNP Paribas announced expanded retail availability for crypto exchange-traded notes. The bank's product expansion provides European clients with regulated access to digital asset exposure. US stablecoin regulatory frameworks continued advancing through the legislative process, while data from Southeast Asian markets showed significant growth in cryptocurrency-linked payment card adoption. The regional expansion reflects increasing integration of digital assets into consumer payment infrastructure. Prediction market platform Polymarket recorded transaction volume increases exceeding 2,800%, reaching record levels driven by expanded event betting activity across geopolitical, political, and market outcomes. The growth reflects elevated user engagement with blockchain-based forecasting platforms. Coinbase announced a partnership with Better Home & Finance to enable crypto-collateralized mortgage products, allowing borrowers to use Bitcoin or USDC holdings as collateral without liquidating positions. The service integrates digital asset holdings into traditional real estate financing structures. Strategy executive Michael Saylor discussed the company's STRC convertible instrument, highlighting its yield characteristics and volatility profile relative to traditional fixed income securities. The commentary addressed the instrument's structural features and positioning within capital markets. Looking at this morning's price action as of 9:30 Central European Time, gains and losses are relatively balanced. Zcash up 4.95%, Shiba Inu adding 4.62%, and Filecoin gaining 4.45%, mid-single-digit strength across privacy protocols, meme tokens, and storage infrastructure. On the downside, Bitcoin Cash leads decliners at 6.21%, with Hyperliquid off 4.34% and Night Protocol declining 2.55%. Losses slightly exceeding gains at the top of the range, with selling concentrated in payment-focused chains and recent outperformers. The pattern shows mixed conditions with no clear directional bias, as both upside and downside remain contained in similar magnitude ranges. Market structure reflects ongoing rotational trading rather than sustained conviction in either direction, with participation distributed across different protocol categories. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index declines further to 27, continuing the retreat from the 36 level reached last week. Sentiment has now deteriorated back toward the 26 low, erasing the brief stabilization in the mid-30s and returning to levels last seen during the worst of recent defensive positioning. The index has declined from 36 to 32 to today's 27 over recent sessions, coinciding with the period of renewed selling pressure, mixed to negative market conditions, and fading risk appetite we've been tracking. Market psychology has reversed the recovery from extreme fear, with defensive sentiment reasserting itself. The return to the high 20s demonstrates continued fragility in market psychology, with sentiment unable to establish a sustainable baseline above 30. Fear remains deeply entrenched as conditions oscillate within the 26 to 36 range, without momentum toward neutral territory or signs of durable improvement. That's your Bitcoin Swiss daily market update for today. If you found this valuable, like and subscribe for your daily briefing from the natives.